Alright, it's been about a week since I had the Milodon put in. 160 thermostat. I'm in traffic right now. It's 89 degrees out. And she's purring at 185. I've been in traffic for about 30 minutes. Oh, look at that. I got max AC on. I got my AC seats on. It's cranked up. It's at 7. It's high. And I'm sitting in 89 degree weather. It's 185. Look at the oil temp, 174. It's awesome. I did a good pull yesterday and stayed at 185. Now sometimes it goes up to like 194 and then it goes back down like maybe twice a day. Not often. I don't know why it does that. It just does. Maybe it had bubbles. But yeah. Dead heat of traffic. Hot and humid, 89 degrees. And 185, baby. Look at that. Love it. Highly recommend Milodon 160. Your Dodge Ram 1500.